Today is Fairy Garden Thursday, and so I thought I would do the fairy gardens in a bird cage and in a bird feeder on my swing set. Start out on the end here with the Vika plants, or Vika, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but they're still looking really good. I've had them for about a month now. Very pretty pink, white, and I think there's some purple flowers on there. But here's my fairy garden in a bird cage. And I have the one singing in a little tripod. And a little mushroom. And a bird bath with a little frog on it. And I have a little bit of greenery inside. And a little fairy there holding a pretty pink flower. And a welcome sign. So there is my fairy garden in a bird cage that I just recently spray painted it white. It was white, but it was kind of chippy and looked like it needed another coat of paint, so I just did that. And then my swing. And a bird feeder that I put some fairy items in. I have this little fairy with some greenery. A little bird feeder with some cardinals in it and another mushroom with a butterfly, a red and pink butterfly on it, and a little bitty house. Let me move her over so we can see the house. I'm going to move her over in front of the mushroom. And then a little fairy house. And another little fairy here on the end. And another Vika plant. I have those hanging on each end of the swing set. See, there's purple and pink and white flowers still blooming. I really like the look of the fairy gardens in the birdhouse and bird cage. And this swing set has seen a lot of uses over the years. I think this is the third swing I've had on here. I probably have had the swing set for 10 years or more. Or the frame. I've had the swing frame for about 10 years. But this particular swing I've only had for about 6 or 8 months. And here's the fairy garden again in the bird cage. There is a butterfly flying around, but I don't think it's going to stay still for me to videotape it. Okay, Here's my newly decorated fairy gardens in a bird cage and a bird house. Trying to get creative. Oh, there's the butterfly. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Oh, it already flew away. Oh, there it is. Butterflies love the flowers. Oh, there it went. Okay. Again, thank you all for watching. See you next week. Bye-bye for now.